Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can monitor the PC temperature, and the tool that you're gonna need is this Open Hardware Monitor. You can find it in this Google, and if you see it in the searching or the first layer of this searching section, you can select this one, openhardwaremonitor.org. And after that, this is the preview of this Open Hardware Monitor. You can simply download it first and then click this download now. And now you can start to open this folder or this master and then do the installation. Go to this Open Hardware Monitor, extract all. And for example, it's gonna look like this. Select this one, the application here. And after that, here's gonna be the look, guys. You can maximize the look here. And for example, without even doing the long process of installation, this Open Hardware Monitor gives you the statistic of your PC performance and also the temperature over here. And for example, now the CPU package here, the temperature up to almost 50 degrees. Wow, it's quite really hot. So this can be benchmark or the reminder for you to use your PC or laptop following the specific function of your CPU, guys. Because like now, while I'm opening a lot of Google Chrome over here, this can be the factor that my CPU work really harder, and also it can make the temperatures raise or higher. So always work with your PC wisely so that the CPU can work optimally. So this is how you can check or monitor the PC temperature using this Open Hardware Monitor. And don't forget to try this tool. And I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.